ask you only once more. Where is the serum?
And I'm gonna tell you one more time, you abducted the wrong guy. I just make animation tutorials. Ow!
That was the low setting.
I don't know what to tell you, dude.
The serum, now!
I have some vitamin D in my pocket here. Would that work?
Last chance.
I always knew it would end this way. Abducted from my office while recording tutorials, and tortured by aliens. Just like Grandpa.
What the?
Cutting it a little close, don't you think?
Sorry, I almost got swallowed up by a space worm. Still got the vial?
Yep, now the next step is to...
Oh, we gotta get out of here! Our shields can't take much more!
So what's the plan?
Hang on! Here goes nothing!